Polish potato soup recipe. Discover the unique Polish potato soup, enriched with dill pickle, juice, and fresh dill for a comforting culinary experience. Featuring olive oil, Polish kielbasa, vegetables, and spices, this recipe promises a rich and savory broth. Sauté kielbasa in oil, then add onions, celery, and carrots for a flavorful base. Next, blend in potatoes and liquids. Incorporate diced pickle juice, and dill for a tangy twist. Stir in sour cream for creaminess as the soup simmers. Simmer until potatoes tenderize, mashing slightly for texture, then add reserved potato slices for a final softening. Adjust seasonings and infuse with fresh dill before serving, ensuring a perfectly balanced taste. Enjoy this comforting Polish potato soup, garnished with sour cream and dill, a true relaxation through cooking.